guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center. So what we got today, guys, we got rocker covers for a Nissan Skyline GTR R34. We're doing a very nice and lovely project on that car. Unfortunately, the rocker covers quite bad situation, and of course we need to take the logo off, the Skyline GTR logo. Taking it off, we have to save it because this is by itself is about £150 to buy a new one, and then we have to send them off to get them acid dip. It's quite bad condition, so we cannot rub it down and just paint over. Unfortunately, you can see the orange peel, the bubbles, and the paint is peeling off here and there, and of course too oily. Look at that cover, it's very bad. So we definitely, guys, go through the process, and then you will see how it's going to look once we finish them. Okay, so now as you can see, it's been bare metal completely. Not bare metal, bare aluminium obviously, and very nice, very clean. Absolutely happy with the result. That's the middle cover as well. Not even a single bit of paint on it, so that's ready now for action. That's the other side as well. We had some issues here, it's quite deep, so we've done aluminium filler, metallic filler. So they are ready now. It's being rubbed down as well, and this is the cover. The cover is quite bad condition, and it's a plastic, it's not metal. So basically the customers, he decide just to go ahead and do that one. He doesn't want to get the metal one, so we're gonna crack on it and then start the process getting it painted. But I will definitely, guys, we're gonna go stages, of course, what we need to do, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so now what we have done, we put epoxy primer, wet and wet epoxy primer. So we can go wet and wet epoxy primer on bare aluminium, and then straight away you can go with the coat. So you don't have to primer it, you don't have to do anything. You can paint straight away on the top of the epoxy primer, wet and wet epoxy primer. They are ready, they dry, ready for paint now. Okay, so basically we got Midnight Purple 3, Bayside Blue. So both of them for the Nissan GTR colors. So basically we just like fade it in the middle, and this is the driver side rocker cover, and this is the passenger side, which is near side rocker cover, fully green, full midnight purple, that one, the offside, and then the middle cover as well. So that's how the owner wants it to be. So now it's ready, it's been painted, we put the pearl as well, so it's now ready for the clear coat. So now when we finish it, you will see the result, guys. So I'm very exciting to see it when that done, honestly. as we can see now, is being completed. That's how the customer wants them. As we said, midnight purple 3 is a combination with the bi-side blue, and both of them it's for the Nissan GTR. So these both colors belong to Nissan GTR, so we put them together on the engine rockers. So this is the result. Of course, once we put the logo on the middle, the GTR one, that will look insane. Absolutely perfect. So yeah, guys, you have seen the way it was, and on the stages how it's become, and these both lovely colors belong to the Nissan GTR. We've done the rocker covers. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and if you like it or you don't like it, please you leave your comments. Very important for me, and I really appreciate you watching again. Thank you very much, guys, and I will see you next video. Thank you.